Hey Rahma, did you see the stunning sunset yesterday? It painted the whole sky with shades of orange and pink.
Oh, I miss it, but I love sunsets. They're so calming. What's your favorite place to watch them?
There's this quiet park nearby with a great view. We go there together sometime.
That's so lovely. Speaking of nature, I've been reading about the benefits of spending time outdoors. It's incredible how it can boost your mood.
Absolutely. Has a way of refreshing the soul. Have you been on any nature hikes recently?
Not lately, but I'm planning one for next weekend. It's the perfect way to disconnect and unwind.
Count me in. Hiking is always a great adventure. By the way, have you heard about that new art gallery opening downtown?
Yes, I did. I'm really excited about it. Art exhibition are so inspiring.
Agreed. We should make it a plan to go check it out when it opens.
Definitely. And speaking of creativity, I've been trying my hand at painting. It's been a fun way to express myself.
That's awesome. You'll have to show me some of your artwork sometime. It's great to have creative outlets.
I love I love to. And hey, have you watched any interesting documentaries lately?
I watched one about ancient civilizations last night. It's fascinating to learn about the history of our world.
History documentaries can be so enlightening. Let's exchange some recommendation.
Okay, bye bye Rahma.
Bye bye, Indri.